Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Yeah, so straight to today's bars, we have Ama McBrown addresses COVID-19 666 conspiracy after taking her vaccine. Yeah, so Ghanaian actress and television host Ama McBrown has become the first movie personality to take the COVID-19 vaccine. So the United Showbiz host took the vaccine shot today at the Ghana International Press Center in Accra. When she was about to leave the center, some media guys moved to her for an interview on the vaccination. Being a very influential personality, the media guys thought her words on the vaccine would encourage the masses to take the shots. Ama McBrown agreed to talk and said, "This is Ama McBrown. I have just finished taking the vaccine. I'm going home. I feel okay right now. I'm praying to be fine." She was then asked about the 666 conspiracy and she frankly answered that she doesn't know about that. Okay guys, watch the video and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below.
Wow, no, but they'll see me. They'll post, so they'll see. Oh, okay. Hi, this is Nana. I just finished taking my vaccine. I'm going home. I feel okay right now. I'm praying to be fine. So please go ahead and do yours. Thank you.
There's this notion that it's 666 and all that.
Oh, Masa, and the minimum.